To start with, would you like to share about your organization and what your role here, what you contribute here?
Yeah. Uh, First, thank you for this session. I am from Fujitec. My name is Deeraj, and we are a Japanese. Fujitec is a Japanese brand and present in India, and we have a large manufacturing setup. Which the manufacturing setup in India is catering to Indian requirements, Indian market requirements, as well as the global market requirements. That way, you can just gauge or you can understand that what kind of infrastructure we are having in India. This is a huge, really a huge. And one great thing, Fujitec has done the largest investment in India, and which is helping us to set up an infrastructure R&D setup, which is a core requirement in the industry, because elevator industry is growing, rapidly growing in the Indian market, and we are expecting that it will double the numbers within next couple of years. So hence it is very necessary for everyone to have their research and development centers available in India to understand to understand the market need, and based on they can develop the product or the products which are developed, what are the changes required in that, they can do it and they can make it in line with the infrastructural requirement of the country. So this is one, and what additional we are doing to see that we get into the latest technologies. We have our systems, our first advanced systems as per the global market requirements. Hence, the kind of the product what we are developing or what we are right now manufacturing, it is as per the international standards. Hence, we need to maintain the same kind of infrastructure standards when we are talking to Indian projects like railway or metros, wherein the core need is connecting. Our elevator should be able to talk to the system. Hence, we are using latest IoT based technologies, artificial intelligence, which is helping us to detect the maintenance requirements. I will say the preventive maintenance requirements, errors, and in case there is any kind of thing which needs to be corrected in advance and which can help customer comfort. When a passenger is traveling in an elevator, he wants a trouble-free elevator. When a passenger is traveling in an escalator, that is a moving stairs, he wants a trouble-free. It should not be shaky. It should not be making any kind of discomfort to the passengers. And that too also when we are talking about a large people
How can
transportation.
startups in India transform the rail and metro industry and make India a stronger ecosystem of supply chain?
It is a really a good question. I would love to answer this. First, when we are talking about Make in India, Atmanirbhar Bharat. Atmanirbhar Bharat, Make in India is a really a big initiative, and it will transform the complete infrastructure. You will get the new vendors in India, the large companies which are working right now in India, they are supporting vendors, they are developing vendors, they are working, I will say that 24/7 to ensure that what kind of better standards can be given to the infrastructure which is growing. Hence, I am very positive about this move, and we are also gearing up. We are doing a lot of acquisitions. We are expanding our service bases. We are expanding, I will say, the training centers, the people, because it is people. We need people. We need automation. We need machines. We need everything. So, hence, we are expanding in all the areas, and we are very positive that in the coming years you will see a drastic change, positive drastic change. Numbers will be multiplying, and which can help the companies to grow, expand, and lot of more people will be getting associated to, particularly I will say in the lift industry. Example, Indian lift market or elevator escalator market, we are talking it at a vertical and horizontal transportation. Vertically people will be moving in the lifts, and horizontal people will be moving in the escalators. And this industry, as per numbers, if I'll be talking about, suppose in India it is 70 to 80,000 If we compare it with China, it is almost 5 lakh plus. It's a big number, and what we are expecting within next couple of years, we'll be doubling our numbers. India will be growing at a very faster speed in this. We are very positive.
Industry, the future of elevator and auto industry in India.
If we'll see your recent discussions, panel discussions, in that you might have observed that there is a complete transformation happening. And India is a very big country, and there are large places wherein there is a heavy density of people. You need people to move. Hence, and right now you can say the infrastructure needs a lot to, again, lot of things are required which can help the infrastructure to grow. Hence it is very clear that elevator, which is called as lifts, escalators, auto walks, this market is going to grow rapidly, and in couple of years, which we are expecting within next 2 3 years, it should double its numbers. And companies are again gearing up for this. And in recent tenders, if you will see the government, what they are asking, 50%, 60%, make in India. You do the collaboration whatsoever you want to have, but you make the product in India. And with this, the companies are putting a lot of infrastructure in India, so that they can do all kind of R&Ds, tests, which can help us to give a right product to the industry. But yeah, government support little bit, I will say that more is required, more focus is required from the government, or from the railway boards, or for the metro boards, so that these vendors, the vendors like us, can get immediate support in terms of what kind of approvals or what kind of concerns they are having, which needs to be addressed. It should be coming openly. It should not be limited. Means that it has to be publicly disclosed what are the requirements, so that based on the vendors can approach and can get qualified for the said requirement. So this is one thing why I want to address.
Okay. So you mentioned a lot about Make in India, and so my next question to you is this only, that how can Make in India accelerate the growth of your business?
When we are talking about Make in India, we will be producing complete product in India. We will not be buying it from a different country and getting into India, paying the taxes to that country, okay, and giving the production cost to that country. Because production cost also, if it is within the country, it is definitely a large, I will say that people will be getting jobs, and people will be getting businesses, and money will be rotating within the country. And second, Make in India, for us example, we are right now exporting. We are manufacturing in India and exporting the products to overseas countries, and generating the revenue. Means that the products which we are manufacturing here and selling outside, it means that the manufacturing revenue is here, taxes, it is here, and lot of benefits government is also giving for Make in India initiatives, so that you can export, and we can give the competition to the other European countries and China and lot many other countries who are right now very much present in the international market. And I will say that India is very much doing well on this, and lot of big companies in India, including, I will say, Fujitec, uh, are working towards it and are very much successfully doing it.
Industry people do a lot of harm to the environment, as said. But what are the Go Green initiatives that Fujitec has taken recently?
Fujitec, we have an environmental friendly factory, and we have a core team working on this, and we have taken certain ISO certifications, so that we can declare our factory is working on green environmental friendly. And this is not only related to the factories, even we are taking initiatives in our products also. To some extent, our products are getting certified for platinum ratings and all, which is again an initiative towards green environment. Uh, this is what I want to say as on
Okay.
date, and we'll keep on doing it.
Thank you. Events like RMT Conclave can add value to your business, and if you can share any feedback for this event.
First, I will like to thank you all for organizing this kind of event. This is really an initiative, I will say that, for an elevator company to be a part of this. But I will say that there's a lot of more to be done uh, in this kind of events. Elevator is a big market. I will say that there should be a separate sessions wherein because elevator is a part of a transportation, urban transportation. When we are seeing people are moving, like people are moving in trains, people are moving in elevators, and there is no other product which is moving the people. You are getting, hence it is a very core area which has to be focused and addressed. There has to be a panel discussions on this particular subject, and there are a lot of things which will be coming up and which can help the industry as well as to increase your business portfolio, I will say.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you,
you so
ma'am. Thank
much.
you.